Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe in Melbourne Red. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, the car also comes with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and included in that is a set of the 405M style alloy wheels that are in the gloss black. At the front of the car, you will see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. The car itself is a late build 2016 car, and as well as that fantastic exterior colour, you'll see over the top of the vehicle the very nice optional extra glass sunroof, which really gives a huge amount of natural light to a fantastic interior, which you'll see in just a second. Down the side of the car, you'll also be able to see it comes with the sun protection glazing, and alongside that very nice exterior colour, all of the additions we've made work very nicely. Moving through to show you that interior, and thanks to the fact that we've opened the sunroof all the way open, you can see just how much natural light that lets through onto the black Dakota leather, which in the front has the electric lumbar and the heated seat options. It has got an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course we'll talk more about the interior features shortly. The rear seats for a 4 Series, you have an ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement, central folding armrest, and the rear seats on this 4 Series look like they've barely ever been sat in. A really clean and tidy interior for this vehicle. Darkened M Sport headlining, of course. Again, all being illuminated very nicely by having that glass sunroof option. Onto the rear, again showing you off these fantastic alloys that look great set against that Melbourne red. At the back of the car, it has got a satin rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot capacity for a 4 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as it is a huge area. And of course you do also get split folding seats, which further enhances that already big area. Moving round towards the other side of the vehicle, again you can see just how well the Melbourne red works with all of the additions we've made. And I shall now go ahead in just 1 second and go through onto the interior, just to run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and immediately as soon as I sit in the car, you can see just how much natural light having that sunroof brings into the car. We'll start the vehicle up and begin with the sat nav, which uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth for both telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs, and of course we've already spoken about the Bluetooth audio. This vehicle's covered just over 20,000 miles, so again a really low mileage example for you. It's got cruise control, a speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on that lovely multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And if we go across into my vehicle and vehicle status, the next service for the car is due in 11,000 miles time. And the last thing to do is just of course pop the sunroof in the tilt and say thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch with us here, we will happily answer any questions we're able to. All of the contact information is always in the description down below, along with links to our website. And of course, if you do want to stay up to date with all of the latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, the best way to do so is remember to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. That way, every time we post a video, which is every single day, you'll be able to see it first. Thank you very much once again, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Do of course take care, and bye-bye.